Hi, so here I have the Jedchisa, I think it's called, Jedchisa, a magnetic ring case for the iPhone 12 Pro Max. My daughter's been eyeing up getting a Pro Max. She's got 11 at the moment, so as this popped up I thought I was going to get it in advance for deciding she wants a new phone. So let's pop this open. Doesn't seem to be sealed up at the top here. Okay, we've got more in here than I expected. I think that's it. Yep, okay, so we have cards, thank you very much. We have what looks to be a screen protector kit, and I didn't realise this was in there. So we have edge to edge 9H glass screen protector. We have guide stickers, we have dust sticker, which is good to see, and we have a wet wipe and a dry wipe. The only problem with these things is they are really small and they're not always wet when you get them. I wasn't planning to put that on because I don't have the phone to put on, which is really annoying actually. I didn't realise it came with a screen protector. I'm sure it's going to go on fine. Very much for muchness these days. And to the case. So I think this colour's called Teal, T-E-A-L, and you've got this sort of rose gold finish. Now this is actually what I call a TPU case, really. As you can see, it's quite bendy. It's not solid. It's got a sort of slightly soft lining in there, which looks just to be stuck on. You've got obviously buttons, button covers. I wonder if they are actually. Now I'm pleased to see that the button covers are fully covered. Sometimes they are open around like the top bit and the bottom bit here, which allows dust and bits to get in there, which is not a great thing. Obviously got speakers, cut out, charging port. We've got a little ring in there, which also should double as the kickstand. Watch something, which it does. It works fine. I mean, it looks really classy. You know, you wouldn't know to think on the phone. You'd go, "Wow, that's a really cool case," and it doesn't look that bad. The problem I have with this is there's not a lot in the way of protection, particularly on corner bumpers here. You know, if you drop a phone, it tends to go down the flipping corner. And there's nothing really there to protect it. You can see inside here, it's really straight onto the outside of the shell. It's really quite thin. So from a protection perspective, it's not great. Also, you can start to see through here is the mesh, must be the magnetic part of. It's going to stick to something, but it's starting to come through here. This looks to be stuck on it, almost like it's starting to peel away already. This back covering. So where does that leave me? It leaves me with the fact that it looks great. If you're not overly worried about protection, it's going to be fine. But for me, on what is an expensive phone, I mean the 12 Pro Max is not cheap by any means. And personally, I would rather my daughter, if she was going to get one, to have a more substantial case on it, because if you do the screening or break them like that, they are a devil to get fixed and expensive. So for me, this is a very much style over substance. I hate saying that, but it's actually really true. Okay, it's a light case, looks good, but if you don't want the phone to break, I'm not sure you really want to put it in this and risk dropping it on the floor. And obviously it's a real fingerprint magnet. It's picking up my magnet, the fingerprints, picking up magnets, picking up the fingerprints on the back already. But you know, it is a bendy TPU case. That's basically what you're getting. I hope this has helped. Thanks for watching. Bye.